Hi, in this video we're going to install Visual Studio with SSIS, SSAS, and SSRS. We're going to go to the Visual Studio download page and download Visual Studio. We're going to want to download the free download. Wait for that to download. Run the exe file. Continue. This is going to take a little bit of time, so we're going to skip ahead. Now when you get to the open screen after it's been installed, you have the option to install a bunch of different programs, but for this we're just going to install the basic Visual Studio. We can install everything we need after install. Even all of these tools you see here you can install after you've installed Visual Studio. So click install. This is also going to take some time, so we'll skip ahead. The download is almost complete, and Visual Studio will now open. You're going to have to sign into your Microsoft account, and after that you can open the Visual Studio project. Now we just have a bare bones Visual Studio. We have no capabilities, so we're going to need to install an extension. And first one we're going to install is SSIS. So we're going to go to Manage Extensions, and in the search box we're going to type in SQL Data Tools, or SQL Data, or you could type SQL Server Integration Services, and search for that, and it's right there at the bottom. Download. It's going to open up a new page. You can click run or save. I'm just going to save the file. That's going to take some time also, so I'm going to skip ahead. Now we can open up the exe file and run it. Now we're going to click OK, and next, install. We're going to install and get an error, and that's because our Visual Studio is still open. So we're going to close Visual Studio and click install again. And we still get an error. That's because we have our other Visual Studio installer page open. So make sure you close those two pages, or you'll get errors when you're installing. So now we're going to click install. And this is going to take some time, so we'll skip ahead. Setup is complete. Close. Now we can go to Visual Studio. Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio. Continue. And now we're going to open a new project. and we see integration services, but we're going to type SSIS, and you could see SSIS will show up. Now we could type in SSAS, and we still don't have that, so we need to install SSAS next. Close. We're going to follow the same steps here. We're going to go to extensions, manage extensions, and here we're going to type analysis services. Click download, and this is going to take some time, so we'll skip ahead. Now you see down here it gives us a message, we need to close Visual Studio so our changes could take place. So we're going to close Visual Studio, and the installer is going to run. We'll skip ahead, modify, and we're going to skip ahead again. And your changes are complete. Going to click close. Open up Visual Studio again. Continue. A new project, and this time we're going to type analysis services. You'll see it there at the top, but we'll just search anyway. It shows up. So we're typing reporting services. We still don't have reporting services, so we're going to follow the same steps again. Extensions, manage extensions, and this time we're going to type reporting services. Download. This is going to take some time, so we'll skip ahead. And you see the same message. We need to close our Visual Studio, so we'll close. Close out Visual Studio. The installer is going to run again. Modify, skip ahead again, and skip ahead, and all those changes are complete. We'll click close. Again, we'll go back and check Visual Studio. Continue. And we're going to again open up a new project. Type in reporting services, and there you have reporting services. So now you are able to open up a project for SSIS SSAS SSRS in Visual Studio.